It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? America's Gamer here with another throwback reaction. Today, guys, I'm with Vybz Kartel, the teacher. Artist topic right now, the teacher. With the Privy Council result yesterday. So we're there today with win. What a more. There's no fitter song to drop right now than this as a reaction. As the throwback series continues, I gave it a week break. Well, I'm back with it now. I'm back with it. Yes, throwback. So, teacher, Vybz Kartel win upon the YengYeng Riddim. I think this one was a Dunwell Productions, produced by Dunwell. We're gonna jump to the one on here where the G has say.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Let's go. Dunwell, big up. We gonna win. What the boss say?
We gon' win.
Yeah. Big up all the Gaza fans them. Fingers crossed the boss out too. Watch out.
If it clock one, turn it, I do it work. Not a day that earn on top of this earth. Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Work. Another day upon earth. Wait.
We
go night again. We go down night again.
We go If it clock one, turn it, I do it work. Not a day that earn on top of this earth. Now me jeans and shirt, me grab a sneakers. But you feel that worth a lot of Chris girls.
My jeans and shirt, me grab a sneakers. Wait, the boss I tell us say yo, another day upon this earth. Remember it wasn't what's the word I'm looking for? It wasn't promise, but we have it. So guess what? I must step out bush. We must step out in a sneakers, yeah, jeans and t-shirt.
If it clock one, turn it, I do it work. Not a day that earn on top of this earth. Now me jeans and shirt, me grab a sneakers. But you feel that worth a lot of Chris girls. She said, teacher, yeah, not of this world. Put it in.
She said, teacher, yeah, she said, teacher, yeah, out of this world.
You feel that worth a lot of Chris girls. She said, teacher, yeah, out of this world. Put it in her, she drop a kick dirt, man.
Put it in her and she drop a kick earth. Oh yeah, say, cocky killer. Wait,
she said, teacher, yeah, out of this world. Put it in her, she drop a kick dirt. Man, a real gangster, not a fi whisper. From this
man say, man, a real gangster, we not have to whisper. He might tell us straight, say, yo, we are real gangster. We not have to whisper, we not have to go act shy about it. Him saying proud of it. That's how the G say, so yeah.
Put it in her, she drop a kick dirt. Man, a real gangster, not have to whisper. From the streets of murder to the rich birds.
From the streets of murder to the rich... What?
A real gangster, not have to whisper. From the streets of murder to the rich birds. We gon' smoke, we gon' drink, we gon' party, we gon' live, we gon' pray for glory. We gon' fight, but we gon' win. We gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' fight, but we gon' win. We gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' fight, but we.
Can I just say big up all the people from Mobile? Because I know say that's the sound of talk, somehow that's the sound of talk. We gon' win. We gon' win. Yeah, big up the Montegonians. Big up on the
fight, but we gon' win. We gon' win. We gon' win. We gon' fight, but we gon' win. We gon' win. We gon' win. We gon' fight, but we money in concert. That's how the thing work. Where the brings them, it's a free reverse. And the
money in concert. That's how the thing. Money in concert. That's how the thing work. Where it brings the it's a free reverse. What?
We gon' win. We gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' fight for big money in concert. That's how the thing work. Where the brings them, it's a free reverse. And the eagle perch ready for pick nerves. And
the eagle perch ready for pick nerve. The eagle ready for pick nerve. The eagle, desert eagle in my talk. Not the eagle up there. So wait, you see we have no, different type of eagle about to talk.
Where the brings them, it's a free reverse. And the eagle perch ready for pick nerves. Any boy disturb, I see the big bird.
Any boy disturb, I see the big bird. Who is the big bird? What is the big bird? The eagle. Again. So the boss give you two references of the eagle. The eagle perch, ready for pick nerves. Any boy disturb, I see the big bird. Yet.
Money in concert, that's how the thing work. Ready brings the earth, it's a free reverse. And the eagle perch, ready for pick nerves. Any boy disturb, I see the big bird. Adija, girl, me there with sperm. Make your skin get firm, it make your lip burn.
What him say? Ladies, what him say a while ago?
Reverse and the eagle perch ready for pick nerves. Any boy disturb, I see the big bird. Adija, girl, me there with sperm. Make your skin get
Adija, girl, me there with sperm. Make your skin get firm. What?
boy disturb, I see the big bird. Adija, girl, me there with sperm. Make your skin get firm, it make your lip burn. When you reach back, girl, no bother with skirt.
Adija, girl, there with sperms. Make your skin get firm and your lip burn. What? When you reach back, no bother with skirt.
Make your skin get firm, it make your lip burn. When you reach back, girl, no bother with skirt. Bring 3 hot girls for whistle and smurf.
Bring 3 hot girls for whistle and smurf. Alright, let's go. I don't know what I mean this.
Reach back, girl, no bother with skirt. Bring 3 hot girls for whistle and smurf. We gon' smoke, we gon' drink, we gon' party, we gon' live, we gon' pray for glory, we gon' fight, but we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' fight, but we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' fight, but we. If the clock turn it, I do it work, not a day that earn on top of this. Pull up, yo, pull up. Let it go.
Remember, say the privy council result, we are doing this now. Can't play this one time, teach. You ready? Let's go.
If the clock turn it, I do it work. Not a day that earn on top of this earth. Now me jeans and shirt, me grab a sneakers. But you feel that worth a lot of Chris girl. She said, teacher, yeah, not of this world. Put it in her, she drop a kick dirt. Man a real gangster, not a feel whisper. From the streets of murder to the rich birds. We gon' smoke, we gon' drink, we gon' party, we gon' live, we gon' pray for glory, we gon' fight, but we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' fight, but we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' fight, but we. Money in concert, that's how the thing work. Ready brings the earth, it's a free reverse. And the eagle perch ready for pick nerves. Any boy disturb, I see the big bird. Adija, girl, me there with sperm. Make your skin get firm, it make your lip burn. When you reach back, girl, no bother with skirt. Bring 3 hot girls for whistle and smurf. We gon' smoke, we gon' drink, we gon' party, we gon' live, we gon' pray for glory, we gon' fight, but we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' fight, but we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' fight, but we gon' win. If the clock turn it, I do it work. Not a day that earn on top of this earth. Now me jeans and shirt, me grab a sneakers. But you feel that worth a lot of Chris girls. She said, teacher, yeah, not of this world. Put it in her, she drop a kick dirt. Man a real gangster, not a feel whisper. From the streets of murder to the rich birds. We gon' smoke, we gon' drink, we gon' party, we gon' live, we gon' pray for glory, we gon' fight, but we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' fight, but we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' fight, but we gon' win.
Yeah, pick up all that Gaza fans them in a man. Oh, see Bass touch road in a man. Johnston, pick up yourself. Cairo, answers. Oh, you go. We gon' win. We gon' win. Money in concert. Don't know. Pick up yourself. YengYeng, Riddim. So that was the next one from the throwback catalog. You know we have whole heap in the throwback catalog. So we just there. I put out the work slowly but surely. Them are forward out. All who did happy with the result yesterday, because it could have been way worse. All who happy with the result yesterday. You know what to do. Let me see in the comment section I represent. Even if you don't say Gaza, you don't have to say Gaza for be happy say the G touch road. You see me? Because Prisoner hell, bro. Prisoner hell, dog. You see me? So, we just want to big up everybody who hope for the best. Hope for the best and know say, yo, the G, I got touch road. And retrial now go on. Even if the retrial go on, it not go affect because him done the 13 years already. You see me? But yeah, big up on yourself. This is lead on still. Make sure you drop a sub on the channel. You don't know how go on. Make sure you drop a sub. Done well, big up yourself. Apple us. Big up. This is lead on still. I'll catch you guys on the next one. We going in.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And this is a rap connect.